Okay, for the differentiation page, since you are in tag, I am going to give you some more challenging letters to go over. Okay. So, Paige, tell me what this letter is. N. Good job. And tell me what the two sounds of N are. N. Good job. And what is this letter? M. Good job. And what are the two sounds of M? Good job. And what is this letter? Very close. This looks a lot like D, but it is B. Can you tell me the two sounds of B? B-E. Good job. And how can we remember the sound, the name of the letter B? Good job. From its beginning sound, B. Can you tell me this letter? P. Good job. Can you tell me the two sounds of P? Okay. P is P-E. Can you say that with me? P-E. Good job. Okay. And for differentiation for Billy. Billy struggles with reading and has reading classes. So Billy, I am going to work with one-on-one with you, and we are going to go over letters together. And we might not get through all of them today, but that's okay. Just as long as you understand them and we get through them together, we can continue working on them. And Maria is an ELL student, and she is going to be working with me and Billy as well. So we're going to go over a few of these letters. We're going to go over this letter. Can you tell me what this letter is? Billy and Maria together? Good job. B. This letter is B. Can you give me the sound of B? The two sounds of B. B-E. Let's say that together. B-E. Good job. How can we remember the name of this letter B? From its first sound. Good job. B. And now we're going to move on to this letter. Can you guys tell me what this letter is? Okay, this letter is T. And it has two sounds. T-E. Let's say T-E together. T-E. And what is this letter again? Good job. T. And how can we remember the name of the letter T? Good job. From its beginning sound. T. And those are my differentiations. Thank you.